Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLNT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely crazy move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's get some things mapped out from a support and resistance standpoint. Kind of a buzz, not really kind of, it was a buzzkill the way this one closed, and it just offer a little more context, and this will also become an important level going into Friday. Remember, the markets are closed tomorrow for Thanksgiving. But throughout the course of the day, the bulls are doing a great job right here at $8.30 of holding strong at support. You can see on a couple different instances, both there and then right here, you know, the bulls, or excuse me, the bears tried to press down through there, but in both instances, the bulls did a good job of holding strong, and that was a good sign. I mean, the bulls were attempting to build a higher base. I mean, yeah, that was after a pretty big pullback, but I mean, with the big gap up that there already was, you know, pullbacks are expected, and that was doing a good job of looking like it was going to be some sort of kind of new higher base. However, then the final basically hour of the day occurred, and you can see the bears not only broke through it, but after the break happened, you know, the momentum just picked up, and not really a great close by any stretch of the imagination, which brings about our first update, which is based on a foundational principle in charting stating when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So like I said, $8.30 was that very solid area of support throughout basically the entire portion of the day. But now that the price is down below it, on any sort of bounce, the initial level of resistance that the bulls are going to have to fight back above is going to be $8.30. As far as next potential areas of support, at this point in time, it's all about the purple line here, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. And, you know, from a big picture perspective, as long as the price is above there, then, you know, the bulls are still in full control. Although I do realize there is perspective that goes into that, meaning if you're a day trader and you bought right there, or maybe you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 15 minutes after buying, then yeah, you couldn't care less about the purple line. So when I'm talking about that 50-period moving average, that is definitely geared towards those that care about more so a bigger picture type thing. So one more day left this week. We'll see how this chart closes out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.